Okay, hello, see me again with Samnang English teacher. Today I'm so happy that come to teach you again for part 2 in phonetic sound in English. Okay, and now we start the lesson here. 5 more voice consonant sounds. Yes. Okay. So this nut sound, ng sound, ng sound, ng sound, ng sound, r sound, v sound, and v sound. Yes. Okay. So we see the simple one, name. You see name? Name. It is a vocabulary. Okay. So how do you pronounce? How do we pronounce? Yeah. So we can pronounce like this phonetic IPA pronunciations. Yeah. So we can pronounce it because we understand about the phonetic. Yeah. Phonetic. It is a nus. It is a e. It is a e. E. It is a short vowel sound in English, and it is short vowel sound in English. So what does it mean? E. In this meaning, it is a deep sound. Okay? Deep sound. Deep sound that I have explained you before. It is a deep sound. Deep sound, it is a combined 2 vowels or 3 vowels make 2 other sound. Like this one, e and e, a, yeah? A. So nus, a, ne, nus, a, ne, and ma. We pronounce name. Yes, name, name. Okay, nus, a, ne, mus, name. You hear the sound? It's a mus, it's a, and nus. So we pronounce name. Yeah, name, name. Name, nus, a, ne, mus, name. Okay. So we pronounce name. Okay. Name, name. Okay. So this vocabulary it is started with nus. Okay. With nus. Okay. With nus. Okay. So the next examples to king. Okay? King. King. So you see the voice consonant sound nus. Yeah. So this voice consonant sound cus. It is a short vowel sound e, and nus here. It is a voice consonant sound. Okay. So ngus, ka, i, ki. Nga, we pronounce king. Yeah, king, king. Kus, i, ki. Ngus, king. Yeah. We pronounce king, king. King, king, yeah? King. Okay, so we go to the example series. The vocabulary start with rus, e, a, d, yeah. Or e, a, d. It is the vocabulary. So we see about the phonetics. IPA Pronunciation. So in this, start with the voice consonant sound, rus. Rus sound. Okay? Rus. Rus sound. R sound. Okay, R sound. And this, it is a long vowel sound. Okay? Long vowel sound. E. E. Yeah? Long vowel sound. Long vowel sound. E. And this is the voice consonant sound. Thus. Okay? R, E, Re, the, we pronounce read. 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 Okay? Read. 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 Okay. So, easy to understand. And example 4, the word what. Okay? What. What. How do we pronounce? How do we pronounce? Okay. So in this phonetics, start with voice consonant words. And it is a short vowel sound in English. And T, it is unvoiced consonant sound in English. Okay? T, it is an unvoiced consonant sound. So, words, e, we, th, we pronounce what, 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 yeah, was, e, we, th, what, what, okay. So it is, we can pronounce like this because we really know about phonetic. Okay? Phonetic make you clear how to pronounce in English. Okay. The last one, example 5. You see, W-E-S-T. Yes, it is a word. It is a vocabulary. Okay. And then, how do we pronounce? Okay, you see the phonetics. It is a V sound. Yeah, V sound, and E. It is short vowel, and S. It is unvoiced consonant sound, and T. It is unvoiced consonant sound. Okay, so V, E, V, S, voice. Okay, voice, and then thus we pronounce west, west, okay? West, 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 west. Okay. So in this word, we pronounce west, 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 west. Okay. Easy. Okay, so now I would like to repeat this again about the 5 voice consonant sound for part 2. Okay. Nas, ng, rus, w, was. Okay. Na, ng, r, w, was. Okay. Okay, see the simple. Simple 1. You see, na, voice consonant sound. E, short vowel sound. It is also short vowel sound. Ma, it is a voice consonant sound. And it, you know already, Yeah, you have known already. It is a deep sound and makes other sound a. Yeah. So na, a, ne, and ma. We pronounce nam, 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 nam. Okay? Okay. It's important to, you see, the word, it have 4 K-I-N-G. Yeah. K-I-N-G. And you see the phonetic, it is start with the k sound. It is a voiced consonant sound. I, it is a short vowel sound. Ng, it is voiced consonant. Okay. So in this word, k, I, ki, ng, king. Yeah, we pronounce king, king, ka, I, ki, nga, king, king. We pronounce king, we pronounce king. Okay? King, we pronounce king. Okay? We pronounce king, 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 king. Okay? Okay. So, nga sound, yes, this one. And it's compulsory. Rus sound, yeah, here, phonetic. Rus sound. And this, it is a long vowel sound E. And this, the, it is voiced consonant sound. Okay? So, R with E, re, and the, read. Yeah? Read. Okay? Read. Okay. Rus, E, and thus we pronounce read. Okay. Read. It's important for, you see, the vocabulary what. Yeah, what. Okay, so we see the phonetic. How do we pronounce? It is start with voice sound. It is a voiced consonant sound. Okay, and A, it is the short vowel sound. T, it is unvoiced consonant sounds. Okay, so wa, e, we, ta, what. Wa, e, we, ta, what. Okay, what. So we pronounce what. Okay, what. And it's important to find the word west. Okay? So this phonetic is start with voice sound. It is a voiced consonant, and A, it is a short vowel sound, and S, it is unvoiced consonant sound, and T, it is unvoiced consonant sound. Okay, so this word wa, e, we, and and the west. Okay, west and the west, west, west. Okay, and the west, west. And the last one, the, we pronounce west, 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 west. Okay, so the sound in here, you try to listen. Yeah, we link from sa and ta. So okay, this west, west, and then we link sa and ta, west, west, west. Okay, so we pronounce like this. Okay. Okay, so now we finished for 5 more voice consonants that I have explained you about this lesson. Okay, and to be clear, you must listen or watch the video again and again, yeah. And then you will understand, yes, about how to be pronounced. Okay. If you don't know some word or some vocabulary that you don't understand, yes, you have to repeat the video again and again. Okay, and you can comment in the description or in the video for me. Okay, I will check the comment and then I will reply you if you are not clear. Yeah. Okay, so I'm very happy today, and I hope all of you understand and try to learn hard and get the preparation and make your pronunciation very clear. And after you know all the phonetic sound in English, 44 phonetic sound in English, and then you will easy to pronounce. Yeah, easy to pronounce. And then when you speak to somebody, you speak to foreigner, yes, many different countries that they speak English to all of you, and then you are easy to understand what they mean. Okay, and when you speak to somebody, and they easy to understand what you mean. Okay, so it is very important for all the English learners, like all of you, that you want to be professional pronunciation, IPA pronunciation, yeah, that make you success in your language. Yes, okay. So thank you. Bye bye. See you in the video for part 3. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.